In this video, you will study about MySQL right join. The MySQL right join is similar to the left join, except that the treatment of the join tables is reversed. This is the syntax of the right join of two tables T1 and T2. Select list, which is the list of columns, from T1, which is the table, okay, which is the left table, and right join T2. T2 is the right table on join condition. Basically, the condition that will join the two tables T1 and T2. So the join condition actually specifies the rule for matching the rows from both the tables. Let's look at MySQL right join clause examples. We will use the two tables, customers and employees. The column sales rep employee number in the table customers links to the column employee number in the employees table. So therefore, if you want to write a query to retrieve a list of sales representative and the employee number along with the customer number they are taking care of, then we will write a query as select employee number comma customer number from customers, which is the left table, right join employees, which is the right table, on, and then we specify the join condition. So the two columns that are linking each other are sales rep employee number, which is the column from the customers table, and we say equal to employee number, which is the column from the employees table. And then we order the data by using the order by clause, and we order by the column employee number. So basically this is what will be displayed. Okay, so all the rows from the right table will be displayed, okay, regardless of having a matching row from the left table. So as you can see, the employee number 1002 is not having any customer. Okay, employee number is basically from the employees table, which is your right table. Okay, so the employees, so all the employee numbers from the employees table will be displayed, as you can see here. Okay, all the employee numbers are displayed. Okay, all these numbers are displayed regardless of whether they have a matching value in the left table. So the customer number is something that is coming from the left table. Okay, so the condition on which the data is being retrieved is this condition. So as long as these two values are matching, these two columns are getting displayed. Right? Employee number is from the right table, okay, and customer number is from the left table. So you can see here for the first 6 entries, okay, the employees are not having any customer number, but only for the last 2 entries there is a value, a corresponding value, there is a match in the left table. Okay, in the, so those values are displayed. Whenever you use a right join, all the values from the right table will be surely be displayed regardless of having matching rows from the left table or not. So thank you for listening.